by the surroundings, you might guess where I'm heading to start the day. We are going to look at some dive bars again today, but we're not going to start drinking at 11 o'clock in the morning. We would, but we're not today. So we might have some coffee. We'll see if that's available at our first stop. The all too important and famous stage door. I'm gonna throw on my mask here so we're ready to go. But this is where we're gonna start today. I know everybody's been here. Yeah, coffee by any chance? No? Rough morning, rough start to the day. I appreciate it, thank you. I think that was 20, 40, 60 or 80 that went very fast because I was playing dollars. There's a progressive on these machines too that I didn't even know about, but we're playing it now and we're playing it at quarter level. Oh, by the way, we are at stage door. Starting the day with a Budweiser and probably have a hot dog here in a minute. Well, as you see, it doesn't always work out. So we're gonna head out of here. We're gonna get down to Silver 7. I'm gonna try to find an ATM to get my money back up to normal because I didn't plan on spending that much here, but could have been worse. All right. By the way, I met some really cool people, and I hope. Got it. Got him.
Lobby. Five minutes later.
All right, so we did finally arrive at the dive bar. Well, upon further fucking review, the dive bar is apparently closed. Maybe fucking close your bar if you're not open so someone doesn't take a fucking lift all the way over here and then get fucking stranded. Anyway, so met a couple great gentlemen, one standing behind me, Nice guy, a little fucking intoxicated, but that said I should go back to Silver Sevens. I was going to go to Silver Sevens in the first place, but I was running behind, so I thought I'd come right here. Damn it. Alright, now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I think that takes that dive bar off the list for today. I'm gonna look around, I'll find something. I do know a bar that's really close, and I think I'm gonna go to that one instead. It's considered a dive bar, more of a punk rock bar. So we're gonna go there now, and then after that we'll head over to the third bar of the night. So we'll see you at one of them real soon. All right, so we just shot down University Center, and it's right off of Naples. All right, so I guess I don't know what to say about the dive bar. Fuck dive bar, but okay, so just right off of not too far from Maryland, University Center, it's called, is another dive bar of sorts, more of a punk rock bar, but it'll do for the video. Thanks to my Uber driver who got me down here quickly. Anyway, so we are at the Down Saloon, as you can see behind me. Let's go in and try to avoid ass juice. We're gonna head inside. I haven't been here in probably 10 years. See what they got to offer. The owner of the dive bar that I was at earlier today was here drinking. So I'm gonna go down to the dive bar. I guess they're still open, they're not closed. I take back everything bad I said about the dive bar. We'll see you down there. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna cash out at that, and I'm gonna head over to the dive bar just to check it out. But you guys would not believe how cool this bartender is. His name is Butters. So if you're ever at the Down Saloon, ask for Butters, and I'll talk to you guys again soon.
But that's all I can say. Justice!